What is going on, boys? We are currently heading to meet up with a buddy, and I don't know why I'm starting this on the highway, but we're gonna go ride the forest, I think. We don't really have a route plan, so we'll see about that. We are with my boy Slow CBR 1K. We have decided to go and possibly hit the forest, Sam Houston Forest. It feels so good outside. I think it's, shoot, I don't know, I think it's like 70 degrees. I think we're done with the twisties for today. Don't want to push it. Satisfied with what I got. We are at Lake Conroe right now. The twisties we hit were the National Forest. But yeah, it was a fun day. For what it was, you know, we kind of just chose like, hey, let's ride today, and now we're here. I wanted to show them where I wrecked my old bike, so we're taking a little detour. wrecked, and I'll tell y'all how I wrecked when we get there. It's right here. I didn't recognize it because it's so much different, because this all wasn't here, but you know how it was a decreasing like radius?
Mm-hmm. This is where?
Yeah, this corner.
Oh, shit.
And I hit a bit of gravel and I shot it off this embankment. I literally ramped it, missed this tree by like a foot, and dumped it in the ditch. But luckily, at the time, that little shed, they were working on it, so there were people out there and they came running over to me. But yeah, it caught me off guard again because it's like a decreasing fucking, it's like, and then it turns.
Yeah, that's why I saw you move your hand. I was like, oh yeah, it's fucking...
Yeah, shit almost got... Nah, this road's cursed. I'm not coming down here again.